In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find people nearby on Telegram. First, grab your phone and open the Telegram app. Make sure you're signed in and on the main screen where you can see your recent chats. We'll be using a built-in Telegram feature, so you don't need any extra apps or tools for this. From the main chat list, look toward the top left corner of the screen for the three horizontal lines, often called the menu or hamburger icon. Tap on that to open Telegram's main side menu. This is where you'll usually find your settings, contacts, saved messages, and a few other options. In that menu, look for the option labeled People Nearby. Depending on your app version, it might be a little lower in the list, so scroll gently if you don't see it right away. Once you spot People Nearby, go ahead and tap it. The first time you use this feature, Telegram will likely ask for permission to access your location. This is necessary because the app needs your approximate location to show you people and groups that are close to you. When the prompt appears, tap Allow or the equivalent option on your device. If you deny this permission, the feature won't work correctly, so be sure to allow it if you want to continue. After granting permission, Telegram will load a new screen showing users and public groups that are near your current location. You might see a list of people with their distance from you, like a few hundred meters or a couple of kilometers away. You may also see local group chats you can join, which can be useful for connecting with people in your area. From here, you can tap on any person to view their profile and start a conversation, or tap on a group to see its description and join if it looks interesting. Be mindful of your privacy when reaching out to new people. Avoid sharing personal information like your IP address, financial details, or anything sensitive in your first conversations. If you don't see many people or groups, it might just mean that not many users around you have this feature enabled. You can always check again later, or try it in a different location, such as a more populated area. That's all it takes to find people nearby on Telegram. Open the menu, tap People Nearby, allow location access, and explore the users and groups around you.